Fixing TikTok Shop cannot deliver to your country is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, verify whether there are any specific delivery restrictions or limitations for your country. These restrictions may be imposed by TikTok or the individual sellers within the TikTok Shop. You can usually find this information in the shipping or delivery details provided by the seller. Consider using a VPN to access TikTok from a different location. By connecting to a VPN server in a country where delivery is supported, you may be able to bypass geographical restrictions and access products that can be delivered to your desired location. However, be cautious when using VPNs and ensure that you comply with TikTok's terms of service. If you believe that delivery should be available to your country, but you are still encountering issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support for assistance. They may be able to provide further clarification on the delivery restrictions or help resolve any technical issues preventing delivery to your country. If you are unable to access products from the TikTok Shop due to delivery restrictions, consider exploring alternative options for purchasing similar products from other online retailers that offer international shipping to your country. If delivery restrictions are preventing you from accessing products in the TikTok Shop, consider providing feedback to TikTok. They may consider user feedback when making decisions about expanding delivery options to additional countries in the future.